Most people believe that building significant wealth requires a massive inheritance or a get-rich-fast scheme that feels borderline illegal. They wait for a windfall, like inheriting $14 million, only to realize that without the right habits, you can lose everything just as quickly. The truth is far less cinematic. The things keeping you poor are often the ones you don't even notice. We are living in an era of the invisible financial drain, where the middle-class trap makes a $120,000 salary feel like it's barely enough to survive. While you're waiting for the housing market to collapse or a miracle stock trade, your potential retirement is being nibbled away, $10 at a time. The modern economy is designed to keep you in the rat race, a cycle where you work a 9 to 5 your whole life just to pay for the liabilities you've accumulated. One of the biggest financial traps that keeps people stuck in the middle class is the tendency to upgrade their lifestyle the second their income increases. We call this lifestyle creep, and it often manifests as a collection of monthly digital services. You might think that $20 here or $30 there doesn't matter. But when you look at how investment firms treat you at every level of wealth, you realize that every dollar has a job to do. If you audit the average household today, you'll find a mountain of small recurring expenses: streaming video, music, premium software, delivery passes, and Starbucks money. Many people are essentially borrowing money until they die because they prioritize these small, immediate pleasures over long-term assets. They dream big, but do nothing to change their daily math. They listen to financial advice from broke people who tell them that a $10 latte won't change their life. But the math of compound interest tells a completely different story. Let's perform a mathematical deep dive into what happens if you take just one daily habit, spending $10 on junk or minor conveniences, and invest it instead. $10 a day is roughly $300 a month. For many, this is the cost of 3 or 4 premium subscriptions, plus a few daily coffees. If you start this habit in your 20s, you are entering the most critical window for wealth building. Most people get their 20s wrong by buying liabilities like expensive cars, which can cost you your entire 30s in lost opportunity. But if you invest that $300 a month into a simple stock market index fund, returning an average of 8 to 10%, something magical happens over 30 years. You aren't just saving money, you are building an untold truth about becoming a millionaire on a standard 9 to 5 salary. By the time you hit your 50s, that $300 a month has grown into hundreds of thousands of dollars. It becomes the difference between being terrified of how much the average American has saved at 55 and being part of the group that can quietly prepare to retire at 55 while everyone else works until 70. This is the slow wealth blueprint that nobody teaches in school. The hardest part of this journey is the beginning. Why does everything change once you reach your first $100,000? It's because at that level, your money starts doing more work than you do. When you have $0, you are trading your time for every cent. But when you reach $100,000 through consistent, lazy investing of those small recurring expenses, the compound interest begins to snowball. At every level of wealth, the way the world treats you changes. Banks, mortgage lenders, and even lawyers treat you differently when you have assets instead of just a paycheck. When you stop spending your Starbucks money and start building a portfolio, you move from the lower class to the upper class mindset. You stop trying to look rich to impress people you don't like and start focusing on the math of freedom. Once you cross the $250,000 invested mark, the momentum is nearly unstoppable. At this point, the invisible trap of the $120,000 salary disappears because your assets are providing a secondary salary through growth and dividends. You are no longer one emergency away from debt because you've built an emergency fund and a portfolio that acts as a shield. What is the final destination of this 30-year deep dive? It's the ability to live off dividends in America or even retire early in a place where your money goes further, like Asia. When you choose to invest $500 every month instead of spending it on lifestyle upgrades, you are buying back your future time. Imagine a POV where you've escaped the rat race and nobody even noticed. You still drive the same car you've had for 10 years because you know the real math of credit versus cash. While your family thinks you're average, you are secretly building wealth like old money. You aren't obsessed with the black market economy or high-risk crypto trades. You are focused on the slow wealth that comes from managing money like the top 1%. By the time you reach 30 years of consistent investing, your subscription money has transformed. That $500 a month, which once went to streaming services and convenience fees, has become a $2 million retirement portfolio. This isn't just a number on a screen. It's the ability to walk away from a stable job because you no longer fear running out of money. You have successfully navigated the most dangerous years for retirement, such as age 46, because you started early and stayed consistent. The biggest hurdle for most people isn't the math, it's the psychology. We are social creatures who feel the pressure of fame and luxury at every level. We want to know how much F.A. Ang engineers make or what it feels like to be born into a billionaire family. But the unbothered psychology of the wealthy is about ignoring the noise. People who never talk about money often end up richer than those who obsess over status symbols. They understand that a credit score is secretly costing them if they use it to buy liabilities instead of assets. They know that the credit system is rigged to keep you spending, not investing. When you decide to cancel those 3 extra streaming services and put that $50 a month into a brokerage account, you are making a radical choice to break your family's poverty cycle. You are choosing to be the first millionaire in your family tree. What happens if you invest your monthly subscriptions instead? You trade a few hours of entertainment today for a lifetime of freedom tomorrow. You transition from someone who is scammed by the invisible costs of the middle class to someone who manages their national interest rates of their own household, like a central banker. The next time you see a POV video about becoming a trillionaire or inheriting a bank, remember that real wealth is built in the quiet moments of discipline. It's built when you decide that your life as a billionaire for 7 days isn't worth as much as a guaranteed retirement at 55. Audit your subscriptions today. Look at every dollar and ask if it's helping you escape the rat race or keeping you in it. Because in 30 years, you will either have the memories of the shows you watched, or you will have the assets that allow you to do whatever you want for the rest of your life. The math is clear. The choice is yours. Look, I'm not going to pretend this channel has 1 million subscribers yet. We're building it from scratch, just like most of us are building our finances from scratch. If this video helped you think differently about money, even a little, hit subscribe. That's it. No pressure. I'll be back next week with more.